Welcome. Today in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. After that, you'll see here a ring and notification volume panel, and just to change the ringtone volume, we should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side this white dot. Also, we can change it by another way, but first be sure that here in volume button control option we have selected ringtone volume, and now by press to the up or to the down volume button we can also change the volume of our ringtones, and we can make it by the third way, just by swipe to the up or to the down this volume panel with our finger. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.